Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to decorate 3 easy and adorable Christmas cupcakes. From Christmas trees to Santa cupcakes, these cupcakes will wow your friends and family without requiring any advanced decorating skills. Let's prepare the cupcakes using a Wilton 1A to create a flat top. Give your bag a slight squeeze and release. Turn the cupcake upside down on wax paper. You want to use wax paper so the cupcake doesn't stick, creating a beautiful flat top. Place your cupcakes in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll create the most perfect flat top to decorate the Christmas cupcakes. Feel free to use any color buttercream that you like. Use an open star tip like a Wilton 21 and slightly press the bag, doing an up and down motion in a triangle shape to create the Christmas tree. You can also use a toothpick to draw out the triangle before you start piping. Then all you have to do is add your sprinkles. I'm using a Wilton 21 piping tip to draw the tree stump. And this is the most adorable and fun Christmas tree cupcake. Your family will love it. Now let's decorate the Santa Claus cupcake. I'm using an offset spatula, creating the face, and I'm just putting it towards the middle of the cupcake. With the same star open tip, use a Wilton 21 and use a slight pressure up and down movement to create the Santa Claus hat. With a Wilton 21 tip, I'm just going to make the round circle to finish off the Santa hat. I'm using the same Wilton 21 piping tip to create the Santa mustache. And with the same piping tip, using a circular motion, I'm going to create Santa Claus's beard. Now I'm using a Wilton 12 piping tip to create the nose and a Wilton 3 piping tip to put on Santa's eyes. And this is so cute. And now let's decorate the Christmas wreath cupcake. I'm using the Wilton 21 star tip, using slight pressure on the bag, using an up and down motion to create the Christmas wreath. I have some Christmas sprinkles, and I'm just going to decorate the Christmas wreath. The Christmas wreath cupcake is so adorable and fun. Your family will also love this cute, festive Christmas cupcake. I hope you enjoyed this video where I show you how to decorate 3 easy Christmas cupcakes that are perfect for beginners or all-level cake decorators. These 3 easy and fun Christmas cupcakes ideas are perfect for the Christmas holiday. And trust me, your family and friends are going to be so impressed. And they're super adorable. And they taste amazing. So make sure to try these 3 easy Christmas decorations for your Christmas party or Christmas gathering. I'll see you next time. Bye!